welcome. This is a short overview of a document that you're going to see every week at the beginning of the module for that week. So the week overview pages serve one big purpose, and that is to give you a heads up about what we're doing, how much time things are going to take, and how to plan your week. So I want to show you what the different parts are. First, you'll always have a little note from me. This note won't tell you anything groundbreaking. It'll usually just be a little overview and a welcome to the week. If I need you to know something really important, I'll always email you using the Canvas inbox first. But this will usually just be a hello. The most important part of the week overview page is this chunk here. So the sidebar here gives you a sense of our learning goals for the week. You can read this to get a sense of what we're trying to accomplish or what we're thinking about that week, what we might be asking ourselves, and what we're practicing. This is where I put into words what I think we're trying to do this week. I also will always have our course learning outcomes linked here in the sidebar. These go back to our course syllabus, and they correspond to different things that we're focusing on that week. So you can get a sense of what class skills we're practicing and what we're trying to do overall. This section on the right, you can almost use as a checklist, and it's going to look very similar to what you see in the course module for that week. It's just another way of representing that information. So you'll see our Zoom sessions. I'll have a link to the Zoom session information. Sometimes you'll see resources to review depending on when I want you to review them. Sometimes I recommend it at the beginning, sometimes I recommend it at the end. But the main part of this side of our page will be each of the individual assignments that are due that week. Clicking them will take you into the assignments. It won't let you actually view them until you have viewed this overview page. But the thing that is present on this page that isn't present in other places easily for you to just skim are these time estimates. So I have these here as ways for you to make plans about when and where possibly and how you want to tackle the week's assignments. So if you see an assignment is going to take 10 minutes, you can say, okay, I'll just do that really quickly on my phone, on my lunch break at work. But if you have something longer, maybe it says it's a writing assignment, or it has a 45-minute or an hour-long thing connected to it, you'll know that you have a little bit more time you need to dedicate to that. This is so you can connect these bigger picture things to the individual assignments that we're doing in the class. My goal with this page is for you to plan your week and for you to feel like you're on top of the assignments, and you can almost even use this as a checklist as you go through the week so you can see if you're progressing and how you're progressing through the assignments. Okay, so you'll see this every week. Don't be surprised by the same looking thing. The only thing that's going to change mostly each week is the note from me and the GIF that I have there. You never know what I'm going to put there. But this page will be here to help you plan your week.